The orange tabby padded silently down the sterile hallway. Oscar had made his choice. Room 212. Staff at Steerhouse Nursing Home watched in horror. They knew what this meant. Oscar was never wrong. For over 15 years, this ordinary cat possessed an extraordinary and terrifying gift: the ability to predict death. Oscar would curl up beside residents in their final hours. Without fail. Every single time. Doctors couldn't explain it. Scientists were baffled. But the pattern was undeniable. Oscar had correctly predicted over 100 deaths. His accuracy rate? 100%. But how did he know? Some believed he could smell chemical changes in dying patients. Others thought he sensed behavioral changes invisible to human eyes. The dying became still, quiet. That day in room 212, Oscar settled beside 90-year-old Margaret. The family was called immediately. Within hours, Margaret passed peacefully. Oscar had provided comfort in her final moments. Some called him an angel of death. Others, a guardian angel providing solace when it mattered most. Oscar's gift remains unexplained. But his compassion? Undeniable. A true, unlikely hero saving families from lonely goodbyes. What do you think gives Oscar his mysterious ability? Like and subscribe for more incredible animal stories that will leave you speechless.